Yay!
Oh, he thinks I'm taking a picture of him. What are you, a ghost? You telling ghost stories? Andrew, go.
Oh.
Is that a flashlight? Is that a flashlight? You telling ghost stories at the campfire? Honey, don't shine yourself in the eye, honey. Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? Daddy? Ask him. What are you doing? Jonathan. Get his attention. Always looking at the fan?
No, he's watching the light on the wall on the roof.
You can't see it, but he's spinning around with the flashlight. You're gonna get dizzy.
It should be great video.
Watch him fall down. Ooh! Push! Can't get back up. Oh my God! He's drunk. Can he walk in a straight line? He's gonna fail his DUI test.
Only 2.
He's doing that because he's seeing a light on the wall. You don't see that? Here's the carpet. He's shining